Hello all, as you know that IES pre-result is already out yesterday. I hope some of you had find it luck to have your names on the golden list of the PDF. And now, regarding your mains preparation, you are having a very less number of days. And if you are someone who are giving both examination, that is IES also you're giving as well as the CSE examination, if you're considering both, your exam dates, as you know, the IES is on August 10th and CSE is on, pardon me, that's the mistake. CSE is on August 22. So approx 50 days time from today, and this will be plus 12 days, that is 62 days. This last 2 days you cannot consider because that will be in vain. And here also in the 50 days you are having this registration process, etc. So again, some of your time will be wasted over there, and one day you will be having a relaxment. I hope you had that yesterday. Now, if you have not been in the list, don't worry because there are only few less vacancies, and you can prepare well for the next year, or you can look for the CSE in a sincere way because the opportunity is just before you. If you are not targeting this year CSE because if you have been out from the pre-result of CSE, then 2026 target, you have to choose this very carefully, either with a plan B or without a plan B, whatever is feasible to you, whatever you think is logical for you. You have to choose it that way. We have already discussed about the consequence of the last 2025, that is the recently released pre-result. We have discussed a lot about it and the reforms that is needed and answer the key related issues. There is a lot of thing that points to only one direction, that is the lack of transparency. So we have discussed a lot on the same also. Now 2026, if you are giving CSE or if you are giving IAS, prepare it very strong because you can expect a pattern change also, because there's a possibility of pattern change, or maybe sometimes it's really wise to have a plan B right now, because whoever is preparing, I would say that focus more on plan B now instead of this, because this may turn to be a bitter fruit in the upcoming days. But this year you cannot expect a pattern change because there is upcoming elections is there. In some of the important states there is election, so there is a very less chance that the pattern change would happen in this year. But the next year, if someone of you is targeting for 2027, then expect there will be a pattern change for sure, because you would have already seen the videos of India Today live papers in the UPSC 2.0 except 2.0. What are the reforms that they have been discussing? That is reducing the age. Then the number of attempts is going to be strictly limited to 3. So in that case, it is a big game change. Also, the lateral entry focusing on people with skill. This will also be a big challenge for aspirants from rural community. So anyone who is preparing it sincerely, and if you're having this only so in, prepare it very hard, pull your socks very high. This is a high time to pull your socks high. Then the next thing, if you're someone who is not having the plan B, just start having a plan B. It is also very important. So we will discuss a detailed video on the plan B also. And I will just give you information if you're writing this year mains. We will discuss more on that 753 rule. Okay, we will discuss more on that in the video. Okay, congrats on your result. If you haven't gotten the result, don't worry, cheer up. You can have it next time. Good luck to all.